So like any respectable adult, I always forget to take my reusable bags to the supermarket, and I end up grabbing a few, and then I have all of this. So I reuse, reduce, recycle, and I actually use them for my bathroom trash cans. But I'm going to show you how to make all of this into a tinier, easier to store pile. If you're a 90s kid, you definitely know what I'm going to do with this bag. Because this is literally what we used to do to pass notes around. And then all you're gonna do is, let's see where it's easier to store it in. Grab this flap and just tuck it in there. And there you go. Now you're gonna do this times 100 bags and it'll be much easier to store away. There you go. We have turned that huge pile into this tiny, easy to store bag. An average adult has a drawer or a trunk full of bags. Any respectable adult has a bag full of bags.